Scientists have found that plants make a series of sounds that indicate they are under duress, and that certain animals have evolved to hear these and react to them. Described as a vast, unexplored field, the photoacoustics are inaudible to humans, but adjusted to frequencies that we can hear, the sounds are not unlike the popping of corn in a pan. A genus of moths is known to lay its eggs on the leaves of the tomato vine, so that the larvae have a ready food source when they emerge. Scientists at Tel Aviv University performed a series of trials to see if these moths would lay their eggs on plants that were sounding off that they were dehydrated or stressed in some way. The hypothesis would be that if moths could hear the sound, that they may choose to avoid laying their eggs on the screaming plants, as a stressed plant would produce fewer or inferior tomatoes, resulting in weaker, less nourished larvae. The result was exactly that. When controlled for visual indicators on the leaves and fruit, moths reliably chose to lay eggs on the silent plants over the sounding ones. This is the first demonstration ever of an animal responding to sounds produced by a plant, said Professor Yossi Yovel of Tel Aviv University, who co-led the project. This is a vast unexplored field, an entire world waiting to be discovered. Dr. Yovel has made other foundational discoveries in plant signaling, including that stressed plants emit airborne sounds that can be recorded from a distance and classified, and another that showed plants hear the sounds of pollinators nearby and rapidly increase the sugar concentration in their nectar. On the back of this most recent paper, he plans to extend his research to make a catalog of sounds from different plants and begin to see how many, if any, animals are reacting to them. This is speculation at this stage, but it could be that all sorts of animals will make decisions based on the sounds that they hear from plants, such as whether to pollinate or hide inside them or eat the plant, said Dr. Yovel, according to the BBC. With all this talk about screaming plants and listening plants, the author stressed that plants are not sentient as we understand it. The sounds are made by changes in the physical structure of leaves, not by compression and manipulation of air, the beating of the extremities against other body parts, or any other vocalizations that we know of in the animal kingdom. Others are slightly more convinced, however, such as forester and author Peter Wolleben, who is eager to see when scientists can devise a computer which detects through pheromones what trees are talking about. His work indicates that this is a primary means of tree communication. Whether or not science is on the cusp of elaborating plant intelligence, it's undeniable that there is a virtually universal plant awareness, which, if we're honest, isn't always an inferior quality to intelligence. BBC was able to receive some of the recording sounds of the plants, which can be listened to on their website. If you'd like more daily doses of positive news, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and leave a comment, as this really helps the channel grow. Links to this news article can be found in the description of this episode. Thanks for watching.